back in the food forest today, and I got some video for you. And what we're going to be doing, a simple little May solution, because we got issues. Guys, welcome back. Chris Rod. Today we're inside the food forest. As you guys can see, we've got everything from, oh god, we got tomatoes, we got carrots, we got radishes that we just harvested, we got our fruit trees that are growing. Everything's growing like crazy right now. And you know what else is growing crazy? Little pest issues. All right, we are talking about pest issues inside of the food forest today. We're going to be solving a couple of them. I want to show you guys to help prevent a couple things. One, we got stray cats. Okay, I don't know if it's stray cats or it's birds, but something is feasting on my peaches, my June harvesting time peaches. All right, we got my Tex King peaches. We got to protect them, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to go ahead and put down a bird netting. I've never done or had to do a bird netting. Then again, I've never had a reason to put bird netting on any one of my fruit trees. We're going to be putting this down. It's pretty simplistic, really. It's just a netting, a 1/4 inch mesh netting. We're going to wrap around the tree, and we're going to secure it with a zip tie. And then we're going to show you guys how to identify and prevent future squash bug issues. Let's take a walk over here. I might as well give you guys a quick tour while we're walking towards our fruit tree that we're going to protect. But you know, we got our sunflowers here along the side of the sidewalk, which are going to give us some good, you know, I'm hoping some 12-foot tall sunflowers. We got our pumpkins that are growing there, and we're actually going to vine them up and hang them on this trellising system. It's going to be new for us this year. We got some additional pumpkins on this side. We've got our tomato beds growing. You see that tomato right there? He's doing good. As you guys can see, we've got some onions. This is our full-blown tomato bed, and we got some additional things in there. We got some pollinators, some flowers over here, guys. Oh, hold on, camera's bumping into everything. Sorry about that. Pretty cool little combination of things. Then we got some more onions. We got our watermelons. We got some nasturtiums or nasturtiums, however you want to pronounce that, growing there. We got some more onions, and deep down in here we've got some melons growing, and we're going to vine them up, and we're going to go ahead and trellis them over as well. We got some more sunflowers. Then we got our peas, cucumbers, more onions, and some volunteer tomato plants we're going to be letting take off over there. This is a fig tree, guy. Don't ask me what kind of fig tree this is, because I actually propagated that from a client's property, and we're going to grow it like a fig tree. This is our goji berry, Williams Pride apple, Vandalay cherry, Texas King peach tree, which is what we're going to be covering today. Then we got this is like our all-out bed. We got everything from garlic to onions to sweet potatoes. We've got some dill inside of here. We got some flowers, and this is our main sweet potato bed here. I've got, oh Lord have mercy, I forgot the name of the sweet potato, but we got a sweet potato bed here, guys. And then we've got our cucurbits over here. We've got some different kinds of squash, everything from a fall winter squash to some summer squash. Everything's growing in here. And some more onions, of course. And you can see those leaves are starting to really fall down, but those suckers are huge. All right, guys. All right, so we're back in the food forest, and obviously I've given you a quick little tour, and you guys can see my Tex King peach here. And we got to start protecting not only the lawn areas, as you've seen in my previous videos, but we also got to start protecting our fruit trees from, you know, life. Birds, stray cats that like to crawl up and down this wall from neighbor to neighbor. And then I don't know if it's the birds or the cats, but let me give you a close-up, guys. Right there. And that came off real quick. And my Tex King peach, these are ready in June. This is June, July, August. You know, I've got my trees in order by month on my planting, but I don't know what's eating this. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that a cat or is that a bird? Something's scratching away at it, but we got to start protecting our harvest, right? So this is going to go in the trash, but this is going to go on the tree. So we're going to cut this open. This is simply something I got at one of our local nurseries. This is a Bird X 1/4 inch mesh netting fruit tree, strawberry patches, grapes, and berry patches. Well, all that. I don't know about all that, but we're going to go ahead and start protecting our trees, guys, because I want fruit to eat come June, which we're a week away. This is what it looks like. It's a 14 by 14 $10 mesh netting. So let's see how we can drape this on over this tree on this windy day. All right, guys, so what I did was I wrapped obviously the netting around the tree. We got the base of it scrunched up, and I put a zip tie down in there. But you know, let's take a look. Let's pan out. You guys see that black mesh net? I hope I didn't do it too tight where it keeps the tree from growing, but right now what I'm seeing is a lot of the fruit, it's protected, and I think that might be key to what you see. This right here, guys, this might be key. I don't think it's not everywhere. It's not getting caught on like the tree branches. I think we'll have plenty of room to grow, but look at this right here. See it flapping around right here. I think that would be an opportunity for something like a cat to get underneath if they wanted to. I might have to zip tie that some more, but all right, so that was the fruit tree. That's the first thing I wanted to do. Again, we got to protect our harvest, right? Especially here in the city limits, you know, when you're trying to grow fruit like I am on the side of my property. Fruit tree netting, okay? That's what we did today. We were trying to get these birds and these random cats outside the garden. The second thing that I wanted to show you guys today was something that I noticed this weekend. So I don't know if y'all ever had issues with squash bugs, but I tell you what, this bed behind me, we did, after our garlic was harvested, we went ahead and planted, oh God, it had to be like 36 different pumpkin plants. I mean, it's a 48 square foot bed, and we loaded it up with pumpkin seedlings. This was a huge pumpkin patch, and we had squash bugs like I had never seen a squash bug in my life, and they were everywhere. Now, granted, we were able to, you know, harvest 12 good size. It might have been a little more than 12, but good sized pumpkins, and they didn't destroy everything, which is one of the reasons why is you always want to go ahead and, you know, your yield's got to be high, so you grow more, you grow mass production, so that whatever, you know, pest disease issues take over, there's always that sacrificial plant, right? But this year, knowing what I had last year as far as problem wise, what I wanted to do was try to prevent it as much as possible. So what I want to show you guys is this little issue right here. This is the key to preventing squash bugs inside your guys' garden. Is you got to come in here when these plants start to grow, and you're looking for this exact problem. Can y'all see that? You guys are, we are all looking for this very exact thing. These are squash bug eggs, guys. And you look under each one of these leaves, and what we're looking for is, look, there's some more. God, dadgum, look at that. On average, they lay anywhere from 12 to 20 different eggs at a time. And it's the females. Oop, there's some more right there. Look at that. So it's the females that lay all these eggs, obviously, right? So we want to solve this problem before they mature into squash bugs. And the way we're going to do that is with my tip number 2 for the day, besides the bird netting. We are going to take some tape, and you can use any kind of tape, scotch tape, duct tape, whatever you guys have on hand. If you need to go buy some, go buy some. If you got the kids' tape from school, use it. Okay, we're gonna wrap it, we're gonna back wrap it, and we are going to simply take our 2 fingers, and we are going to peel these eggs off of this pumpkin plant. We're simply gonna roll it. And you keep rolling it until you got every single one of them little eggs off that plant. And it's always the last ones that are the hardest. But that right there, friends, is what you're looking for. Y'all see that? See all the eggs? I didn't know if y'all were able to see that or not. But you see those eggs right there? That is what we're trying to remove in solving the squash bug problem. Check those out. So this is tip number 2. You know, start protecting your squash, your squashes, your pumpkins, your fruit trees. Try to eliminate the problem as early as possible. And worst come to worst, if you don't catch it in time, like I didn't last year, you can always spray it. You know, get some neem oil down, things of that nature. Squash bugs hate water and soap. They'll suck that in, and it'll naturally kill them. But that's it for today. Quick not even a lawn, quick food forest update for you guys, and some top tips on how to start protecting your lawn in the spring going into the summer. Check you guys later.